Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars? I could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars? I could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now.
Yeah, I could use a dream or a genie or a wish to go back to a place much simpler than this. Cause after all the partying and smashing and crashing, and all the glitz and the glam and the fashion, and all the pandemonium and all the madness, there comes a time where you fade to the blackness. And when you're staring at that phone in your lap, and you hoping but them people never call you back. But that's just how the story unfolds.
And now we'll move on to the physics of race cars, but first let's discuss the concept of aerodynamics. Aerodynamics in race cars is mostly the same with that of the airplanes. The only difference being the wing or airfoil shape is mounted upside down to produce downforce instead of lift. The Bernoulli effect means that if a fluid, either gas or liquid, flows around an object at varying speeds, the slower moving fluid will exert more pressure than the faster moving fluid on the object. The object will then be forced toward the faster moving liquid. Downforce is necessary in maintaining high speeds through the corners and forces the car to the track. The total aerodynamic package of the car is emphasized now more than ever. A road course with low-speed corners requires a car setup with a high downforce package. Meanwhile, a high downforce package is necessary to maintain speeds in the corners and to reduce wear on the brakes. This setup includes large front and rear wings. The front wings have additional flaps which are adjustable. The Speedway setups look much different. The front and rear wings are almost flat and are used as stabilizers. The major downforce is found in the shape of the body and underbody. Drag reduction is more critical on the Speedway than on other circuits. Since the drag force is proportional to the square of the speed, minimizing drag is a primary concern in the Speedway setup. Lap speeds can average over 228 miles per hour and top speeds can exceed 240 miles per hour. Effective use of downforce is especially pronounced in high-speed corners. A race car traveling at 200 miles per hour can generate downforce that is approximately twice its own weight. Generating the necessary downforce is concentrated in 3 specific areas of the car. The ongoing challenge for team engineers is to fine-tune the airfoil around these areas: the front wing assembly, the chassis, and rear wing assembly.
Make some wishes out of airplanes, then maybe, oh maybe I go back to the days before the politics that we call the rap game, and back when ain't no.
In physics, buoyancy is an upward acting force exerted by a fluid which opposes an object's weight. This principle states that any object wholly or partly immersed in a fluid is buoyed up by a force equal to the weight of the fluid displaced by the object. If you throw coins in the ocean, they sink. Yet a ship, which has a weight many times that of a coin, manages to float in the water. This interesting phenomenon, known as buoyancy, is the reason that boats float. In short, boats float because their design exploits the principle of buoyancy. So when I place coins on top of this aluminum foil, it will sink. I shall make the foil into a boat. Now when I place coins inside it, it manages to float despite the weight exerted by the coins.
Hi, I'm Dan.
I'm Ben.
And we're gonna talk about how an airplane flies.
It flies through the power of aerodynamics.
Aero.
Aero meaning air, and dynamics meaning something in motion.
Here goes.
Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars? could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. Could we pretend that airplanes in the night sky are like shooting stars? I could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now.
Yeah, I could use a dream or a genie or a wish to go back.
So this is yung Dan guy. So this is yung Dan guy, and then he's like, such a dad. It's such a dad. Dan! Oh, such a dad. Hi, Dad! Hi, Dad! Sila na, Ben. Sila na.
Hi, bro.